Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to talk about my second largest position, which is right here at 12.8% of my dividend portfolio, and its ticker symbol O, Realty Income, which it has been on a dip right now in the past couple of days after acquiring a new company called Spirit Realty Capital. So I just wanted to take a look at Realty Income at the price that it is right now, and also a Spirit Realty Capital, to see how much was it that they're going to add by acquiring this company. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate how the channel continues to grow and how all the videos are reaching other people. And I just wanted to quickly do this video before I go to the gym. I couldn't do it yesterday because it was Halloween, so people were coming to the door, and then I also the kids went trick-or-treating, so I was a little bit busy last night, but I am recording it right now, 1st of November, early in the morning. So let's go into Realty Income real quick, just so we can get a little bit of a background to anyone that doesn't know who Realty Income is. And right here in Seeking Alpha, which is a website that I use to research stocks, I'm not affiliated with. But right here, in the past 5 days, it is down 4.88%. And right here, this is when it was announced on October 30th that they were purchasing Spirit Realty Capital. That's the name of the company. And they were $49 the day before, on Friday when they closed. And then on October 30th right here, bam, it went all the way down to $46.92, and then it just kept on going down at $45.30, which it was a great opportunity of buying, in my opinion, of course, of this awesome and great company. Year to date, this company, it is down 25%, almost 26%, and this is due to the interest rates, mainly because they still have the same business. They still have the same management. They're still making the same decisions from what I see and everything. And this company has a market cap of $32.85 billion. All right. But let's not do any research. Actually, if you guys want to know who Realty Income is, so of course, Realty Income, the monthly dividend company, is an S&P 500 company, a member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats Index. We invest in people and places to deliver dependable monthly dividends that increase over time. This company, pretty much, the company is instructed as a real estate investment trust, of course, and its monthly dividends are supported by the cash flow from over 13,100 real estate properties. So they own a lot of real estate. And this company was founded in 1969, so they got plenty of experience. So I'm sure any of these deals that they're making, they're not making them without doing any research or anything like that. I do like any new businesses that they're adding into this company. I definitely like their decisions so far. I know a lot of people have mixed emotions about it, but they are the experts. I am not. So I'm sure they're doing it for a good reason. They have been paying their dividend for many, many years or decades, and they have been growing it for, I believe it's like over 25 years. So, all right, let's take a look at Spirit Realty Capital, which is ticker symbol SRC. And right here, as you guys can see, year to date, it is down 9.28%. The whole real estate sector is pretty much down this year because of interest rates. That's why they're taking a big hit. They pretty much grow with debt, and debt right now, to borrow money is very expensive right now until the Fed lowers the interest rates. All right, so, but let's take a look in the past couple of days after it was announced. So on October 27, they closed the day at $32.31 a share. And then on October 30th, once it was announced that Realty Income is purchasing them, boom, it skyrocketed to $35.46. And then it looks like it went down a little bit. I'm guessing people started selling. Maybe some of the people that were holding this company, and they probably took some profit and just sold it. So right here, the 52-week range, it is 32.22 for the 52-week low and 44.65 for the 52-week high. The FFO is 364. The price to FFO is 988. That dividend rate for this company is $2.68 a year per share. That yield 7.68%. Wow, that's definitely a very nice yield. But let's continue to take a look at their numbers. Market cap $4.93 billion. So this one definitely has a lot of, the market cap is pretty big right now for this company. The Realty Income agrees to acquire Spirit Realty Capital in $9.3 billion stock deal. So that was the news that were announced, and I guess a lot of people didn't like it. So now let's go into the company profile, because I don't know who Spirit Realty Capital is. And maybe some of you also don't know. So Spirit Realty Capital is a premier net lease REIT, just like Realty Income, that primarily invest in single-tenant, operationally essential real estate assets subject to long-term leases. And as of June 30th, 2023, our diversified portfolio consisted of 2,064 retail, industrial, and other properties across the 49 states, which means Realty Income owns 13,000 properties, 13,100 I believe it was. So then now they added another 2,000, which means they're gonna own over 15,000 properties. That's definitely gonna bring more income, and I do believe this deal right here, I do believe it is gonna benefit the company in the future. Not right now, probably not right now. Once they make all the whole deal, they sign, they do their whole thing. It probably won't benefit them at the very beginning, but I'm sure that ROI, which is that return on investment, in the next couple of years is going to be great. And I definitely want to be holding the bag whenever they start increasing those dividends, when they start getting that rent from these 2,064 properties right here. So these 2,064 companies, which were leased to 345 tenants operating in 37 industries. As of June 30th, 2023, our properties were approximately 99.8% occupied. So they definitely have everyone occupying these properties, and they're most likely paying their rent, so which is great. Let's continue to take a look. So I see the revenue year by year. So it looks like it went down from 2019, $501 million to 2020, $482 million, but then it went back up in 2021 to $608 million. And then in 2022, $709 million. In 2023, it looks, the estimate that it's going to grow to 758. So this revenue will be going in the future to Realty Income, which I do believe it is going to benefit them. But only time will tell, right? The funds from operation, it looks like they have been meeting it, except on the expectations, except on quarter four for 2022, which the FFO actual was 0.87 and the estimate was 0.91, but every other time they have been meeting it. So let's hope this was a good acquisition by Realty Income. I think it is. I think it will benefit in the future, but only time will tell, right? Of course, I'm not a real estate professional, or I don't know much about real estate, so I don't know if their deal was good or not. But it looks like it was good. They'll be adding a lot of all those properties, and hopefully those benefit in the future. The market cap for this company is $4.93 billion. Total debt, $3.82 billion, which is a lot of money. But these companies always need debt to continue to grow. Cash on hand, $174 million. That dividend yield, let's take a look at the dividend data, 7.68%. annual payout, $2.68 a share per year. Payout ratio, which we don't go by that in REITs, is 73%. The 5-year growth CAGR is negative 3.26. So we're going to take a look at that to see what is going on there. Years of growth in the dividend, 2 years only. Latest announced dividend, it was 0.67 cents. And then the ex-dividend date was on September 28, and they paid out already in the past month in October, on October 13. So they are a quarterly payer, they are a quarterly payer. So, but they probably won't be anymore in the near future. All right, so that dividend growth history, and this is what I like to look at also into every company. So it looks like they were doing pretty good, growing very slowly from 2014, 2015. And then after 2017, it looks like it started going down. 2017, they were paying $3.23 a share per year to $2.96. And then it went down to $2.50. And then it kind of stayed at $2.50 for 3 years. And then in 2022, it went up to $2.60 a share per year. So it looks like it started growing now, back again. Not sure what happened in this business. Never followed this company. But I'm really hoping that this deal was great. And I think that time will tell. Definitely adding over 2,000 properties. I think it will benefit Realty Income in the future, especially with the management team that they have. They have been doing very, very good for many decades. So I do believe that they'll make this deal work. And in the future, we will be the ones, any Realty Income holder will be benefiting from this one. So, of course, this is not financial advice, guys. Always do your research, especially before investing into any of these stocks. Right now, this is all very risky whenever you invest in the stock market and into any company, because they are the management of the company, not you. You don't make the decisions, they do. But if you guys see right here, that revenue in Realty Income, it has been growing from 2018. It just continues to grow. In December 2021, 2.08 billion, 2022, 3.34 billion, and it looks there's an estimate of 3.80 billion for 2023. And then even more in 2024. So I do believe it is going to continue growing, especially with the acquisition of Spirit Realty Capital. And then let's take a look at more numbers of Realty Income right here. So the market cap, of course, $32.85 billion. So it's going to grow. The market cap is probably going to grow in the future also. Total debt, $20 billion. They need debt to be able to continue growing. Cash on hand, $268 million. That dividend yield right now, at the price that it's at, is at 6.65%. Which I do believe this is a great opportunity of adding Realty Income if you are looking into adding this company, especially that monthly paying, that monthly payment. It definitely looks really, really good. I like it when I get that payment every 15 or every month. Pretty much, it is always around the mid of the month. That 5-year dividend growth CAGR is only 3.69%, so they grow very slow and very small, but it has been consistent. Since I owned it, it has been very consistent. Years of growth, 25 years of growing that dividend, as I've said before, which is great. I'm just hoping for another 25 years of growth. So when I retired, I get the payments from this company, and they can pay my bills in the future. So I'll be nicely relaxed and not have to worry about any of that. So right here, the ex-dividend date, it was on 10/31, which it was yesterday actually. So any shares that you own on October 30th, you'll be getting paid on November 15. And the latest announced dividend was 0.226 cents, which I'll be getting paid that right here. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look to see around how much is it gonna be my next dividend payment in my spreadsheet. But before we go into that dividend growth history, it just continues to grow, as you guys can see right here, very slowly, very small, but it continues to grow every year. So in 2019, they were paying $2.63 a share per year. 2020, $2.71. 2021, $2.77. And 2022, $2.97. Right now, this year, it looks like at $3.07, which is great. They're going above the $3 mark. So then maybe in like another 5 years, they'll probably be at the $4 a share per year, which is going to be great. Any shares that I'm buying right now that will give me $4 a year in a couple years from now, it's definitely going to be looking really, really good, which is what I'm looking forward to. I'm a DCA investor, a buy and hold companies, which is what I like. And I'm definitely looking forward to that. That's what I look forward to whenever I invest into any company. All right, so let's go into my spreadsheet. So as you guys can see here, is definitely my biggest, my second largest position at 12.8%. I've been very bullish since they went under the $59 price. And let's go into my dividend portfolio. So right here in this tab right here, ticker symbol O. Company name Realty Income. I own 21.8 shares, which is awesome right now. I definitely want to buy some more, especially at this price at $47.38. I do still think that this is a great price in my opinion, but of course, don't take this as financial advice. Always do your research, guys. Always. Don't go by what I say or by what anyone else says. So my cost per share right now is at $58.91, which I want to continue bringing down. And I'm hoping I'll pick up some more shares this week. And my market value right now, because of the way the real estate sector is getting hit and Realty Income is getting hit, is $1,034. And then the money that I have invested into this company is $1,286. This is also with dividends reinvested because I have the drip turned on, and I definitely want to continue growing this company, especially at this price. So I'm going to continue to drip into this company. And my performance, I am down $251. And if we go into the into my dividends tab right here, their last dividend announced was 26 cents, almost 26 cents. It was 0.256 cents. My yield on cost right now, it is at 5.21%, but any shares that I pick up right now, I'll be getting them with a over 6% yield on cost. So I am hoping I can pick up some more shares before the real estate sector skyrockets and goes up, which I'm sure it will be. I don't know when. I can't predict the future, right? But I'm sure it will recover. Especially this company, they have been invested for decades. They have been in business for decades, so I'm sure it's gonna recover. When, I don't know. And of course, this is not financial advice, guys. My estimated next dividend, around $5.59, which is gonna be awesome. So November 15, I should get paid a little bit over $5, which I'm gonna drip it right back into Realty Income, and I'm hoping it stays at that price, around the $40-something price, so I can pick up a little bit more amount of shares, right? I won't pick up a whole share, but at least the lower the price is, the better it is for that money to buy some more. And my estimated yearly dividend income, which is my second largest, as you guys can see right here, is $67.06. So of course, this is an estimated, and this is how much I should be receiving, around how much I should be receiving in the next 12 months, which is awesome. And it just continues to grow as I continue to add more and more money into my dividend portfolio, it's just that estimated yearly dividend continues to grow right now. And SCHD, which it is my largest position, it is paying me around $75 of estimated yearly dividend, which is also awesome. I can't wait until December SCHD pays, but that will be another topic for another video. All right, everyone. Please let me know in the comment section if you don't mind. Do you hold Realty Income? Are you adding more? Do you not like Realty Income? I really would like to know. What am I missing? I think that this, in the future, the acquisition of Spirit Realty Capital, I think it will benefit them in the future. But only time will tell. I am still planning on hold this company, even though it is down right now, and I'm down 24%. I've seen some other people in the YouTube community also buying Realty Income, being very bullish. I wish I could buy share after share after share, but I am a DCA investor. As some of you guys know, I deposit a certain amount of money every Friday, and on every Friday, I distribute that money into my holdings, into anything that is undervalued. All right, so please let me know your opinions about Realty Income in the comment section. It's definitely at a very good price, in my opinion. Of course, not financial advice, guys, but I wish I had more money so I can pick up some more shares. All right, everyone, I'm gonna be heading out to the gym now, so I'll definitely see you on the next video, and have a nice day, guys. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.